So here's the GREENSTELL freestanding wooden coat rack. Now I got the brown one, and as you can see, I put all my snow gear on it. It's pretty strong, and if you wanted to, you could hang multiple coats on the same piece. There we go, I took all the coats off, and as you can see, there's 8 branches. Now one problem I did have was I couldn't get this to turn all the way this way, so instead of spiraling up, the branches kind of make a little stop here and then keep going, which isn't too big of a deal, but when it's empty like this, it just kind of ruins the flow. Anyway, these little pegs or branches, whatever you want to call them, they're just painted wood, but then they have a threaded end that goes into here. Also, if it wasn't clear before, this pole is made up of 4 pieces and they all screw together like this. And then there's a nice big tray at the bottom, which is pretty cool. You can put your keys in here or something. And it's just a veneer. It's not actually a giant walnut plate, so don't get your hopes up on that. Anyway, screwed into that are the legs, and they're held in there pretty well. And then they have these feet that are adjustable, so it'll sit on any surface. Now, it also came with these pieces here, and basically what you do with this is you peel off the plastic to get to the sticky side, and then you stick it to the bottom and stick it to the wall, and that should stabilize it a bit more. It's not like it's gonna fall over, but it's a little bit wobbly if you happen to bump into it. Now, other than this branch problem, I did have one more, and that is the feet. I really don't like how they chose this shiny blue. I wish it was brown or even black, just something that doesn't stand out so much. But other than that, this thing is pretty nice. It works pretty well for hats or for coats or whatever you want to put on it. And you can put it in the corner of your entryway or something like that, and it'll look great. So if a coat tree is what you're looking for, then this one's not bad.